move next. Resources. Obviously, you have to pass the paper and you should use the valuable resources. General resources which students are using, that is your lectures. Number one, yes, you must use your lectures. The notes available on the VLS portal, the notes available on VLS portal. And one more important point, your lectures, your on the top priority. Notes available on your portal, right? Approved ACCA material like ACCA Study Hub and approved other materials including study text and exam kits. So I do prefer that you should have the Kaplan exam kit in the hard copy or in the soft copy or whatever. So, but you must need to have that Kaplan exam kit. So these are the study materials which you should use. Must use ACCA practice platform. See that you are appearing for paper AAA, and that is not the audit, that is advanced audit and assurance. So you must, most of you people might be the working professionals, and you might be doing a job or doing the business or whatever. But so you are having some practical commitment, right, at your job. So what I do prefer that you must use ACCA practice platform. It will help you to improve your typing speed. And it's my simple advice that whatever the question you are learning from the VLS portal, must type it accordingly. You can split the window. In the particular portion, you can start my lectures, and on the right side, you can type it so that simultaneously you are copying me on your laptop. Okay, ACCA practice platform also enabled to focus on exam window, improve your typing speed. Your practice plus your confidence would increase. Your practice plus your confidence is a very important point, and it would gonna increase. So what's the bottom line? Bottom line point is that students often neglect ACCA practice platform and simply, reading at their own style. But what I do prefer, must use ACCA practice platform. For example, if you are doing 5 questions by your own, for example, so at least 2 questions on ACCA practice platform, right? At least 2 questions. That means 40% should be done on ACCA practice platform. I would encourage 100%, but at least open it.